Students, welcome back to your online classes. My name is Sabita Sharma and I am your economics teacher. Today, chapter number 7, National Income, and we will learn circular flow of national income. Circular flow of national income. When income flow one sector to another sector in a circular form, one sector to another sector in a circular form, that is termed as circular flow of income. Meaning of circular flow of income. The circular flow of income refers to the process whereby economies, money received and payment flow in a circular manner continuously through time. That is termed as circular flow of income. Very important. What is circular flow of income and product? So, it refers to flow of money income or the flow of goods and services across different sector of the economy in a circular form. Why should money income or goods and services flow across different sectors? Because one sector depends on another sector. Example, household depend on producer for the producers for the supply of goods and services, and producer depends on the household for the factors of production. So, we depend on each other, and for this reason we have to study circular flow of income. Types of circular flow of income. In your book you have three kinds of circular flow. Number one, two sector economy. Two sector economy means only household and business firm. So, Y is equal to C plus I. Three sector economy: household, business firm, government sector. So, Y equal to C plus I plus G. Four sector economy: household, business firm, government and foreign sector. So, the formula is C plus I plus G plus X minus M. Now, we will learn two sector model or circular flow of national income. In the diagram itself it is clear, firm is one of the sector and another is household sector. Household sector is the owner of all the factors of commodity, that is land, labor, capital, entrepreneur. So, first, household sector provide land, labor, capital and entrepreneur to firm, and firm provide factor payment in the form of rent, in the form of wages, interest and profit. This become the income of the household sector. What they are doing with this income? They are doing consumption of on goods and services. They are doing consumption expenditure on goods and services in the product market. So, in this way again the income come back to the firm. So, this is the circular flow of income. Firm is providing income to household sector and again income goes back to the firm. So, how you have to write? Here we will take. Such an economy has two type of market: product market and the factor market. The firm sector hires factor services from household who are the owner of factors of production: land, labor, capital and enterprise, for producing goods and services and pay them remuneration, or you can say compensation, in the form of money rendering to their productive services. That is, to land we are giving rent, labor, wages, capital, interest and enterprise profit. For the factors of production, these are factors income known as rent, wages, interest and profit, which have been generated in the production process. Thus, money income flow from firm sector to household sector, firm sector to household sector. With this money, the household purchased from the firm manufactured goods and services to satisfy their want, with the result that the same money flow back to the household to the firm sector. Thus, the entire income of the economy comes back to the firm in the form of sale revenue. The counter flow of money from household to the firm leading to the circular flow of money between two sectors is represented in the following diagram. So I think the diagram is clear to every one of you. Now, three sector economy. In this three sector economy, only we are adding new sector, that is government sector. Household sector now providing, giving tax to government, same as factor firm also providing tax to the government sector. So it is the income of the government sector. Now government is doing what with this income? Service. If any firm people are working in the government sector, government is giving service income. So the again income goes back to the firm. And if government is taking goods from the firm, then they are providing that payment to the firm. So again the money goes back to the firm, and this way the circular remain continue in the three sector economy. Now the four sector economy. In the four sector economy, we are taking one more market, that is termed as foreign market. Along with the foreign market, one financial market is there, but in your book they have not mentioned the financial market, but still you should know little bit about the financial market, because now I can say it is a backbone of the economy. Without financial market, we can't run the economy. So all the banks are coming inside the financial market. First, I will concentrate on the foreign market. Okay, now the household is also working with the firm, foreign market, and firm is also working with the foreign market. Household, if any person is working in the foreign, so their income is coming in the household sector. Okay, same as firm. If firm is doing export of goods and services or import their commodity, so they have to receive. If they are doing export, so they received from their export, and if they are doing import, so they have to pay for their import. Okay, so here also with the arrow it is clear. Payment for factor services, if any person is working outside, so payment is done by the foreign sector. Net transfer payment, any kind of payment is there, and payment for the import, if we are importing any commodity, then we have to pay. So in this way the four sector economy is working. Now the bank in between I am taking, everybody, either a government sector or a household sector or a firm sector, everybody now save, and whenever we are in need we borrow money from the financial sector. So in this way the four sector circular flow remain continue. That's why we say we have a flow concept. Never money stop at particular place. It always flow from one sector to another sector in a circular form. Thank you, class.